Let's talk about why your channel is not growing. I know it's not a comfortable subject. I know it's not something you want to hear, but I see channels every single day that have the potential to be amazing, but they're just not growing, and the owner or the creator behind it doesn't understand why. So I want to tell you today 5 reasons why your channel is not growing at the rate you think it should be, and some tips here and there on how to fix it. So excited that you are here on my channel. I create videos 3 times a week for entrepreneurs who want a bigger, better, more visible business by using video and content marketing and hashtag all the things. So if that sounds like you, make sure you hit subscribe because I don't want you to miss any other videos that I put out. And today is a really fun one. I am crazy excited about this. So again, like I said a minute ago, I see a lot of channels that have huge potential to grow. They have massive, massive opportunities to really be the thought leader, be the person for their industry, and have a YouTube channel that just like kills it for their business, but they're not growing. And I see a lot of reasons behind this, and I'm just gonna get it down to 5 today. Let's just get into it, because these 5 reasons will help you understand what you might be doing and how you can fix it. So reason number 1 that your channel may not be growing at the rate that you think it should be, or that I think it should be, is that you're not consistent. Consistency breeds legitimacy, guys, and on YouTube it's even more important because YouTube rewards consistency. So if you're not being consistent and putting up videos on a consistent basis, you are going to be negatively impacted by YouTube, but also your viewers and your audience are not going to see you as legitimate as they will someone else who is being more consistent. So be consistent. That's the solution to not being consistent. Okay, so the second reason that your channel is not growing at the rate you think it should be, or that I think it should be, is that you're not collaborating. This is something I see a lot. People come to me, or people join my programs, or people join my Facebook group or whatever, and they say, hey, I really want to grow my YouTube channel. And I'll say, okay, here's a couple things you can do. Here's some videos that I've done in the past to help you out with this. Are you collaborating? Who can you collaborate with? And the answer I get back is, well, nobody, because they're my competition. No, y'all, there ain't no such thing as competition. Somebody is going to resonate with me, or they're going to resonate with you, or they're going to resonate with her or him or them, whatever. And you need to be collaborating on YouTube or you cannot grow. Collaborations have been one of the biggest ways I've grown my YouTube channel. It is having, my channel show up on someone else's channel. It is having their channel show up on mine. We have been able to grow and help each other in a way where it is working really well to the benefit of both channels. So if you're not collaborating, you need to get on that. You can do this in a variety of ways. You can, do like a pass-off video. I'll give 5 tips, you give 5 tips kind of thing. You can have a guest on your channel. You can interview them on Skype. You can have them send you a video clip that you record an intro and an outro for. But whatever you have to do, just do it, because you need to collaborate. Number 3 is that you're not optimizing your content or your channel. You should be utilizing tags and descriptions and titles and keywords and thumbnails and channel descriptions and channel art and all of these things to optimize your channel in a way that is ready for people to actually subscribe and want to watch. So if you're not doing that, you're probably not growing because you're not doing that. The 4th thing I want to talk about is kind of a double-edged sword. So we're just going to lump this all into bad quality videos. Now, this can mean a lot of things. This can mean that your actual video is bad quality, that like it's bad lighting, or you're too blown out, or you're recording on the go and everything's too bouncy, or you're using a kind of a not so good video camera. Like whatever the instance is, having bad quality from the camera can impact your channel and cause you not to grow. Also, having bad sound quality can have the same effects because people just don't like to listen to bad sound. And honestly, I've had comments on my channel in the past on like, your sound is really bad, you whatever. And Some of my videos it impacted, some of it didn't, but at the same time, I know that if I would have had consistent, good quality videos, that those videos probably would have ranked higher and done better. Now, in this same bad quality point here, I want to mention having bad quality camera presence. So I really do think that everybody can be a YouTuber. I really do think that everybody can be on camera and can create a presence for themselves on camera and online and in this space that allows people to get to know them and want to buy from them and all the things. However, sometimes it takes us a little while to get our footing. Sometimes we don't even know that we're not doing so great on camera, but there is definitely the potential that it could be bad camera presence that's causing your channel not to grow. So make sure to bring personality. What I really like to say about being on camera is that I exaggerate my personality more than I would anyway. So I'm already kind of an exaggerated personality, so I exaggerate it more. Now, that does not mean that you have to be, all crazy to be a YouTuber. You can be a soft-spoken, quiet person and still hold a good presence on camera. The point here is that a lot of times we sound robotic because we're trying to read off a script, or we sound like very boring because we're kind of nervous and we're like not changing the tone in our voice while we talk, and we're just kind of worried about the way we sound and those things. But the point here is practice makes perfect, and sometimes it takes getting some advice from a friend or a family member, somebody you trust, that says, you know what, you looked a little stiff on camera, or you looked a little like your camera was too dark, or your sound quality was a little bad, to get us to understand what we're doing wrong, because sometimes we don't see it ourselves. So if you think bad quality might be a piece of the reason your channel isn't growing, pass it by a friend or a family member or a mentor and say, hey, can you take a look at this and see if there might be something that I could be doing better? And I guarantee if you come at it with a nice approach, that they will be super nice about their feedback, and you'll be able to take it and turn it around and make that bad quality turn into good quality. And the fifth reason why your channel is not growing is that you've not started it yet. So guys, you have to start a YouTube channel to be able to grow a YouTube channel. Everybody starts at zero. Literally not a person in the world starts a YouTube channel with more than zero. It doesn't happen. When they hit create, there's 0 subscribers automatically. So you need to start to be able to grow. Putting it off until this thing's perfect, or until that thing's perfect, until your new office is done, until you have a better backdrop, until your kids are at school, until this happens or until that happens, is just going to get you to start at zero later. So start now and get started so you can actually grow. So those are 5 reasons that your channel may not be growing right now. And if that is you, if any of those are you, hit me up in the comments below and let me know what of these helped. I'd love to help you further. I'll be hanging out down there after this video goes live. So make sure you let me know, because I want to help you. And until next time, make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss any other tips and tricks with me every single week. Bye, y'all.